My friends, good morning. Today is Sunday. I'm going to my brother's place and I'm going to fix my suspension links. Not about carrying. I hate this. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Because last night it was 196 for the gasoline. So when the gasoline is very high, we just fill up only halfway, half tank. Oh, I see the gas station is still 196, no change at all. The gasoline is still high, so I'd rather fill gasoline here. So let's do it here. I'm here and let's see how much we can fill up for today. Get out. Maybe we can do only half tank. And then we're heading to our route. Finish filling up the gasoline, so we are almost full. Main highway. So it's not traffic yet today. Close now. So I hope me and my brother are able to replace my suspension links. Just arrived to the location. So as you can see, that's my other brother's car, and this side here is my other brother's car. I think this guy will help me out today. We'll see. Wish me luck. I have already all my stuff inside here. Arrived today, so we are going to replace this thing here, this one. But maybe
I don't know why I
keep
using the word
this thing
degreasable
because it's
since the
degreasable.
wrong
See?
term.
This,
It's called grease fittings,
fitment,
where
so I'll
you
keep
can
this,
put
this part and we will
grease
just
by using a grease
rubber.
gun onto these
Last
small
night,
nipples
so
called
I was able to
zerks.
fix this
ZERKS.
I want
These
to
are
keep
called
this thing.
zerks, where you can
And this one I need
fit
to
the grease gun
remove
and
this
squeeze
again
to
and put
lubricate these
another
fittings. So
bushing
it's not called
uh,
degreasable, it's a wrong
below.
term.
because I see there's still more gap, so you know. So these are the part. So this is the bushing that was worn out. It's very bad, and I replaced that with this thing. See the difference? It's bad. So I'm gonna put more bushing down. So I was planning to put the whole set, but I think I'd rather keep the old one. Already worn out. Totally worn out there. And so we have to remove the whole thing and we replace the new one. So we already put the new one. So this will go down here, and the other new one will go on the top like this. Like that. Bushing. So we're gonna put this to the other side. So we'll replace the other one, that one there, because I did not put this one last night. This thing. So we have to put this in the bottom. At the bottom down there, because I kept the old one because I thought there were no more space. So we will put this. That's the setup. And then we're gonna put this there in that hole there. And that thing there. And then syempre wala na akong pang-vlog eh. Under, and we're gonna force this to the bottom. So you know, there it is. Now the stabilizer is in place. So because this is already worn out, right, this thing, so to support this, now we're gonna use these three washers. We're gonna put this on top here, but after that we have to put this first there, and maybe two pieces, or we can make it 3 pieces to make it more sturdy. Just finish. So we have new bushing in, and I don't know if we're gonna do the front as well. This is a big problem. This one here, actually down here, this thing, gonna replace this too, maybe. The engine needs some cleanup. The engine needs some gaskets, oil leaks. A lot of maintenance going on here. So at least I have my coffee there. We are doing the front links. So I'm just cranking it right now. It's coming off actually. So a few more turn and it's gonna come off, and then now we can put the new one, because the reason is this thing is already worn out. See, the rubber is already peeled off right there. It's already peeled off, so need to replace that now. It's already right here. See, it's already cut, so need new one. So we gotta replace that. So a few more corrects and we're finished, and I already bought the new one. And after this we will take the other side there too, but obviously I will keep the bottom. This is stubborn nut. I was able to remove it from here, from there, and now it's time to replace this rubber here. There you go. So this is we are going to replace right now with the newer one. We are now underneath the car, and we have to pull this thing. We have to move this down so that we can remove this one here. There. Okay, I was able to move it up now. So we have now a clearance here. It's free, so we can now easily remove this lower bushing right here. We will replace with a new one right there. It's free right there. See, this is the old one. It's already broken. We will put new one. Alright, we put the. My brother is putting some degreaser, grease. So these are the old ones. Alright, we're gonna replace this thing into this, and we're done. So the upper bushing and the lower bushing is already in place, so all we have to do is torque it and we're done. So we'll be doing this on the passenger side. So this is the driver's side, and later on we're gonna do the passenger side and we're done. And next time when we get time, we're gonna replace one of the downstream oxygen sensor. I don't know which one is downstream here. It could be this front
could be that rear side, so maybe we could replace the both of them, because I'm getting a P136 code errors in my computer. So well, let's see after this, and we're all done, and let's rock and roll. It will take a lot of turns. We're not using a power tool right now, so maybe it takes a little bit of a minute until all the bushings flattened and enough to absorb the tension. Oh yeah, mistake. I think I have to put the other side first too. I have to remove it again because you should place all together at the same time before you tighten up. So right now I'm losing it out. Loosen up again, and I have to place first the bushings from driver to passenger side. You have to place all same together before you tighten up the nut. So right now I have to remove the nuts again. All right. So we have to put this same time together actually before we tighten it up at the bottom here. We have to put this first, left and right, and then we start tightening up. We already replaced the bushings. See, it's all broken and worn out. So I did not put this thing. It's a cheap piece of metal shit. So I just kept the old one because it's more sturdy and it's a solid metal. Things I kept the one that's the original and more sturdy and durable. So we replaced that thing. That's new now. And as well on the bottom side is all new bushings. And that's it. And we're out of here. Friends, I am going now, but I forgot to fix my rear, so I have to fix that rear first before I go. Ciao. Sometimes we have to do something, right? We have to use our time and day wisely. So my friends, I'm home and I still have the sway bar links that I bought in Amazon for my Toyota 4Runner, and I bought this set of sway bar links for the rear, supposedly for the rear and for the front end of my truck, but I actually just only took the pair of rubber bushing here, each of the 4 swivel links, and I realized that it will save me time, and I kept my older swivel links, which is still in good condition. And the good thing is that it has fittings that I could put or squeeze grease into the lower part of the swivel links on this side. But this one, it's a permanent fitting, so maybe in the future I could use this one and replace my stock one, which I kept in the meantime in my truck, and save me time actually, so who knows, somebody might be needing this, my other 2 brothers, right? So he has also the same truck with me. Maybe he can buy this, or I just give it to him, if he wanted to. So these are my spare. So I just only took the rubber bushing each links, and I'm done, and I will just keep in my storage forever. And have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed my simple vlog, for the day. Have a nice day.